Idemo. Ja sam Krca, pravim dance. Belgrad is a very old city. Is a very old, strong city. Belgrad street elite.
Boston, where you at? We bout to put our city on the map. Big town, living fat. We got that. The show, we rock that. Big lock that. No one can top that. With them, Zed, the ones that push the axe and pack the straps with tattoos on their backs. When the beef comes, they deal with it. Never the ones to start the though you didn't know, Boston is blowing up. I told ya, but you didn't give a I'm hitting off with some real ass feel ass speak on it. I got my strategy that'll take me to where I wanna be in the industry, rocking the majority of the country. In the city, celebrity, buying property like Monopoly. Dab to this, raw dog underground, all legit. In the predicament to always stay fly with my on tracks that I hit, I'm taxing it. Peep this, send shots to my peeps on the streets of New York. Techniques playing beats in the Ave in the Bronx. Since it's not where you're from, it's where you're at. Got to big up Boston and them Lade cats. I only deal with the mother brothers, my brothers. Didn't I blow your mind this time? Didn't I? Boston, where you at? Where you at? We bout to put our city on the map. Big town, living fat. We got that. The show, we rock that. Big lock that. No one can top that. Boston, where you at? Where you at? We bout to put our city on the map. Big town, living fat. We got that. The show, we rock that. Big lock that. No one can top that. My, but on the block, making it. Get home, I'm taking it. Invest in pit production. A chick on her own, they laugh. Got on my and get to get half. Everything I know is on the table. Create a label, write a book, make a fable, whatever pays you. If my style wasn't tight, I quit. But I ain't gotta prove that shit. They like, who that? Boston, where you at?